day at work today. And it feels really good to be in air conditioning because I was outside for a lot of the day. But Katie might be getting a new car today.
We'll see. I don't know.
So Katie leases her car and it's due in a few months, but they said they were looking to call her in early. So we'll see what happens.
We seem to have some pretty sick deals, so
yeah, we'll see. We'll see.
Yeah, you never really know.
I always go into these situations though, and then you get there and you're severely disappointed, so it could happen, it could not.
Okay, so we're in the dealership and we're waiting to talk to someone, but look at this Keurig.
You want a hazelnut?
Yes. Meg, show the magic. Do the magic, do the magic.
Open. Set this under here.
Oh, I like that. It's not waste. Medium. What's going on? That looks like a yummy cup of joe.
What'd you just do?
Buy a new car.
But we're not in it.
No,
this is still the old car.
Gotta wait.
We're gonna get it on Friday. Pretty
That's
excited.
The easiest car buying experience. Meg made it so simple because she knows how to talk to people.
I just know the questions to ask.
Yeah.
Clarify things.
But yeah, I'm only gonna be driving this baby for 4 days.
But it's the same car pretty much, just a different color.
Yep.
And new.
Pretty crazy.
Yeah. We were gonna get a bigger car just for family and stuff, but we figured that might be the next lease.
Yeah.
Makes more sense to wait a couple years until we have a child and then they'll be older.
And save a little bit of money now.
Yeah, yeah.
For said child.
Yes.
Yeah.
Agreed.
Yep.
Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm like equally sad and excited.
You always get like this with cars.
I know.
It's okay.
I get sentimentally attached to everything.
She
whether
does.
It's a piece of paper
Yep.
or a car.
Yeah. And then there's me and I'm just like, throw it away.
But I have to say goodbye to my yellow car.
We're gonna match. We both have red cars.
I know we're not gonna be ketchup and mustard anymore. What
We'll
are we gonna be?
Ketchup and
sriracha.
sriracha. I
You're
like
already
that.
ketchup, so I get to be sriracha.
I like it.
What?
Show people our new Oreos.
Marshmallow Moon.
They're really good.
Celebrating 50 years of
The moon landing.
moon landing. They have 3 different designs on them. Pretty cute. And this package is glow in the dark. Do you know that?
Cool.
They're pretty delicious and they're blue.
Back home, and we're about to watch the first night of the Democratic candidates debate. And I'm excited. My girl Elizabeth's on tonight. She's a bomb. What are you excited for?
Bernie's
I think
tomorrow.
Beto is on tonight too.
Kind of gave up on Beto.
Bet on Beto.
Oh,
I don't know, we'll see. Maybe he'll stand out.
maybe.
Okay, bye.
These are the faces of 2 people who fell asleep on the couch.
My face is red.
Yeah.
I got more sun than I thought today.
Oh, it's good on you.
Thank you.
Wait,
Go ahead.
wait, you're red. Like my new car.
Mm-hmm.
Right, Ted? Do you want to ride in the new car?
Do you want to ride in the new car?
Heck no.
Heck no, undertow. Alright, thank you for following along on today's adventure.
And we'll see you tomorrow.
Right, so we got Swenson's, as I showed you, and they have a famous burger called the Galley Boy, but it obviously has meat on it.
It's a burger.
So we got what is called the Salad Boy, which is just a veggie patty. And
I've never gotten it actually.
Katie got just ketchup, mustard, pickle, and then I got it with like the Galley Boy sauces, which is barbecue sauce and something else. Mine is vegetarian, not vegan. Hers is vegan. So.
Unless the bun's not.
Oh, true. But all the toppings in the burger. It's time for night 2 of the Democratic debate, and I am excited. So that was a long night because after the Democratic debate, we watched the latest episode of The Handmaid's Tale, which was messed up.
But so good.
That show's so good. But the debate, I think that the winners of the debate were
Overall, just tonight.
Probably Kamala Harris, actually, which I don't know why it surprised me, but it did. And Pete Buttigieg.
Yeah, I couldn't remember how to say his last name.
Buttigieg.
Buttigieg.
I like Mayor Pete. I'm interested to see how he handles stuff. So.
And if you watched it and you care about a candidate that maybe isn't like Bernie, Joe, or Elizabeth, or even Kamala, if you want them to stay in the race and have a chance for later, you should donate to their campaign.
Yeah, any of the candidates, because the next round of debates, they have to have 130,000 individual donations to their campaign.
Even if that's just $1.
Yeah, it doesn't matter the amount. It's just about how many people donate, because that shows how many people support them. So any candidate that you like, period, just like $1, $3, $5. It doesn't have to be a recurring thing. Just one-time donation will help them be able to be in the next debate and continue showing you their viewpoints and their policies and how they want to change things. And so, yeah.
Yep. I didn't know that was a thing. I didn't know you kind of had the power to help push them along, so.
I think it's new.
I like that.
Yeah, I do too. I donated to a couple people over the past couple days.
He's very serious about snuggles right now.
But yeah, if anybody wants to talk Handmaid's Tale, like, leave us a comment or message us on Instagram or something, because I don't know, man. The show is intense.
For me to be as tired as I am and to have not fallen asleep while I watched it
keeps your attention.
Yeah.
It's so good. It's so good. It's just so good. And if you guys have any other, like, TV show suggestions for us, not that we have time, because we're not even any further in Game of Thrones, but if you think that we should get back to watching Game of Thrones, comment below.
Yeah, we haven't touched it in a while.
Alright. Well, we've blabbered on for 3 minutes.
Wait. Huh? Tomorrow I get my new car.
Yeah, this weekend is going to be a really exciting weekend, so I'm excited to vlog it for you guys, but there's a lot going on.
Yeah. A lot. But you'll just have to wait.
Thanks for following along on today's adventure.
And we'll see you tomorrow.
With a new car.